Hi y'all, Barb here. Jason and Palmer are with me. We just got to Galveston after 4.5 hours. There's Palmer right there. And we're getting onto the Carnival Jubilee tomorrow. It's very cold, that's why we're all bundled up. But I want to take you through our VRBO that we rented. We rented a loft in downtown Galveston Strand area. So here it is. Okay, we're staying at 2505 Market Street, apartment A. As you can tell, the stairs to get up is a little steep. You walk in and you have really nice size kitchen. Here it is here. It's 2505 Market Street, Galveston. Dishwasher, large sink. You have the coffee pot, all your spices, microwave, blenders, nice size stove. Love the brick wall. Plentiful of tables here, and you also have the island fireplace, which is being used right now because it's so cold outside. Large TV we're watching Sing, of course, because Palmer loves it. Beautiful chandelier. And the view is downtown Galveston. Very gloomy, cold day though. Nice large couch. 2 arcade games, which is real nice. Hi. And then in one bathroom, and you have the 2 mirrors, 2 sinks, and then the washer and dryer are in the bathroom. So check this out here. It's a claw tub. Old rusted tub. So that's gonna be fun. I don't think I've ever showered in a claw tub, so be very interesting. And a step down too. So in the middle of the night, I'm gonna have to make sure I watch that. And you have 1 bedroom here, which has, looks like a twin and 2 full. So 3 bunk beds right there. And then just a mirror here, no TV in here. And then the master has a large TV in that exposed brick, which is absolutely beautiful. Large fan too. Good sized bed, because the 3 of us will be in here tonight, because Palmer does not sleep anywhere but with us. And then out here is a little balcony to just really nothing, as you can see. But it's a very gloomy day, and so tomorrow we get on the Jubilee. Very excited, and y'all have a good one.